Hi friends, good evening. Tomal here once again. Welcome to PRCUMP. Official website is prcump.org.in. Today in this session we are going to discuss regarding the bullet option. What is that? Let me give you a little example. Tea, biscuit, cake, fruit, banana, and like many more. These are the few options that I am going to buy from the market. Now friends, if not only for buying the from market, also like if this is a formatted document, if this not be a formatted document, then see how this is looking like. Now if you want to make it a proper formatted document, I have written biscuit, cake, fruit, and then banana. Okay, now I want to make it a proper formatted document. So if I make it slightly listed, make it some enlisted option, so it will be more good in looking. So how will be done? Select all this, click on home. See, this is your bullet tab, bullet option. You click here and this will be in a proper formatted way. Now if you want to make bold, press Ctrl B, make italic, Ctrl I. All these things you can do. But the thing is that if you want to enlist it, then select all this thing. Then again, if you want to unenlist, same thing. My thing is selected. I'm going there. I'm just clicking on it. It becomes the or like before. If I want to make it enlisted, okay. So this is all about the bullet option. My name is Kamaldas, representing PRCUMP. Email is customer6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. Thank you guys for being in this session and requesting you for be there to having more updates. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, and liking my video. Thank you.